Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, I was serving wine to the people in Hazrat Abu Talha's house on the day wine was declared forbidden. Their wine was made only from raisins and dried dates. Meanwhile, a crier made an announcement. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said, Go and see. I went out and saw that a crier was proclaiming, Hearken, Khamr, grape wine has been prohibited. Then wine was flowing in the streets of Medina Munawwara. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said to me, Get up and spill all wine. So I split it. Someone then said, So and so got martyred, whereas there was wine in their stomachs. The reporter says, I do not know whether it is the part of Hazrat Amr Hadith or not. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed these words. On those who believed and did righteous work, there is no sin for what they have eaten when they fear and keep faith and do righteous work. Again fear and keep faith. Then again fear and remain righteous. And Allah loves the righteous. Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 93. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5102.